This unit is going to be very heavy in labs. Um, so I will be making the lab your assessment for the most part. Please do a thorough job with the explanations and the written part because gathering data, while gathering data is important and it's important that you do it right, um, it's the explanation part in the conclusion or the work section that I'm really looking for. I'm really looking for you to explain your understanding. Since it's hard for me to actually give like reliable tests, your test is your ability to explain yourself. So I'm also going to assign you some review questions to do for energy. Um, I will also be expecting a pretty thorough explanation, and I'll be mostly grading your lab activities for the written explanation part, so I know you understand what's going on. I've noticed its meeting has been inconsistent, and the course finish date for most students is the end of July. For you guys, we've determined the course finish date to be August 3rd or August 10th, respectively. Um, the 3rd would be better because you could get all, have everything done. Um, but um, if we need to do the 10th, we can, but we still have 3 more units. So I'll be posting those 3 units of stuff. Some today, some hopefully over the next week if I have internet service. But I will at least get torque posted. So make sure that that you're powering through this stuff and that you're starting the work that you need to get done. We have we are supposed to have 20 hours of face-to-face time. Um, the caveat there is none of us are in the same city. So it makes that a little bit more challenging. So part of your face-to-face time is the attention to these videos, and part of your face-to-face time will be our actual conversations over whatever video communication we've chosen to use. The video communication I would like to see getting close to 12-ish hours. So that means after I get back from break, we're going to be hopefully you have a lot of work done and a lot of questions so we can be sitting down and reviewing some of the content. But I'm also going to include any of the videos that you watch on Edpuzzle. So um, I'd rather not reinvent the wheel. And some of the lectures that other people give are more animated and uh, well done than I can do. Um, so I'm going to use them, and anytime you watch those video lectures, it will count as well. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Hopefully we get pretty close to the 20-hour mark. Um, this is still a physics class. This is still on you guys. So while I can tell you the coursework will be done August 3rd or August 10th, it can only be done if you complete it. I can't give you a grade for work that you don't do. So you still have to pass the class in a reasonable amount of time before you guys head off to school. So please make sure you're doing the work. Make sure you're doing it well. I know some of you guys have busy summer plans, um, but unfortunately you're stuck with me doing summer physics. And I expect you guys are both seniors or graduated almost seniors. Your work should be good. Your written work should be well done. Your explanation should be clear and thorough, not fragments. So make sure what you're turning in is quality work that represents what a senior or a student going to college next semester would turn in, right? So let's get this coursework done, and hopefully we have a bunch of meetings when I get back from vacation. I'll keep you posted if I have internet on vacation if you need my help. All right, bye.